Crafty Conjuring presents B.Y.O.B. But first, a short film.
Late at night, Crafty Conjuring is working on a craft that will save the world. It's so simple. Just 2 items from the dollar store. But will it work? It's alive! But what is it?
B.Y.O.B. Bring your own bag. What you'll need: flash keychains and a tote bag. We use an emoji and a drawstring bag. Untie both sides. Pull one strap out. Knot and trim the ends. Take your plush and cut at the seam. Remove all the stuffing. You can save the extra stuffing for another project. What you'll need: needle, thread, and scissors. Knot your thread and start at one side. We use black thread so you can see it. Use a thread that matches your plush. Stitch the opening so it doesn't tear. Use a simple stitch to make the seam. Secure the other side with 3 stitches. Then finish your seam. Now flip your emoji inside out. Decide where you are going to attach it to the bag. Stitch bag opposite the opening. About 10 stitches will do. Knot. Snip. For a round item, stuff like a pair of socks. Tuck in the end. For rectangles and squares, fold and roll the bag. This one is attached to the side. Tuck in one side at a time. These fries are square. This one has a zipper. Flip inside out. Eight to 10 stitches will work. Knot. Snip. Tuck. and you're ready to go. Take it to Grandma's house to bring home goodies. Or shopping with your friends at the mall. Okay, so it's not going to save the world, but it will help the environment. Less than 5% of plastic bags are actually recycled. That means for every 10 bags, only half of one bag gets recycled. So, B.I.O.B, bring your own bag. And please help the environment. Thank you so much for watching.